Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here I am going to share UHaul promo code or a discount code you can use right now on this website. So how you can use it? Simply add this code on a checkout section and you will get discount according to the terms and condition. So here is a full fresh working code for uhaul.com you can use right now and get amazing discount on that. And let me tell you one more thing: you can use this code in anywhere. In if you are from any country, you can simply use that code, and this code is working for a limited time, not for each and every time. If you want more fresh code, let me know in the comment section. So here is a full fresh code you can use right now. So let me start from the code number first. This is code number first where you will save 5% on your total cart value, and this is code number 2 where you will save 10% by using this code. This is code number 3 where you will save $10 by using this code, and this is last where you will save 30% by using this code. This all four fresh code is working right now, and if you want more code, let me know in the comment section. So this all codes are working right now, and if you want more, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more. Thank